Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy Wheat. Today I'm going to show you a recipe to make creamy mashed potatoes with half the carbs. So we're going to start with two 12-ounce packages of frozen rice cauliflower. You're going to go ahead and cook that and then drain it. Draining is very important. You can do that with a tea towel or cheesecloth, but make sure you get all the excess water out. That makes a huge difference in your texture, even if you were doing cauliflower alone. A half a cup of butter, a half a cup of heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste, and then 2 cups roughly of red potatoes. I left skin on because my husband and I like that. You don't have to. The thing about these is I cooked them in my crock pot last night, steam baked them, and then I let them sit overnight so we have a resistant starch now. So between the cauliflower and the resistant starch, we're cutting the carbs way down, but you can still serve this dish if you have people coming over who maybe aren't low carb or healthy eaters, and they'll still think they taste really good. So we're gonna put everything into the food processor. I do recommend a blender or a food processor to get a nice creamy texture. And then we're gonna zip it and get it all mixed together, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. All right, now that we've blended them, we have a nice, smooth, creamy mixture. This is when I like to salt and pepper them to my taste. Otherwise, I feel like you can overdo either or. So then I just mix it in and you have a beautiful creamy textured, just tastes like potatoes. You have no idea it's cut in half and that you have the resistant starch. You can put them in the oven to bake them with a little cheese on top to serve them, make them pretty, and make as much or as little as you need to feed who you have coming. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.